Hey, good morning. I just want to jump on here and do just a quick intro into all of these different, these artificial intelligence that are popping up. So the first one I want to look at, want to get right into it, is ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT, I pay $20 a month for. Nope, stopping that because I can use the other ones. However, the ChatGPT free one is also good. So you can use ChatGPT to build a resume. You can use ChatGPT to build code. I mean, it can help you with all other things. I'm just going to ask it a quick question. How do I set up an LLC in, let's say, Las Vegas, Nevada? Okay, so I'm gonna just grab that and let's just see, and it'll probably tell you how much it costs, but let's see what it does. So it's just gonna give you the information, right? It just gives you the information, right? It is actually telling you where to go. Now I'm using 4.0 model. You can use the more in-depth one, but it kind of charges. That's why DeepSeek and these other ones are so powerful, because you can actually use the deep thinking part to actually give it. But look, it gives you all the steps. Now, if you want to turn this into an ebook right quick, uh, so that you can, put it on your website or sell it, let's just say, can you format this into a ebook I can sell or give away? Let's see what it does, just to see what it does. We're starting to think about business. We're starting to look at, look, it's building. You start to think about how can you use this information. Information is information. Okay? Here it is. It's giving you an ebook that you can give away in lieu of selling something else, or you can actually sell it for 99 cents on your site if that's what you want to do. Believe me, there's enough people in the world that will buy it. And that's the important thing. You need to understand that while we have grocery stores on three different corners, they all making money. Don't think that you can't make any money if you create a digital product like this, and ChatGPT is helping you doing it, but you want to make it substantive. This is a good substance that somebody that actually can use to start a business. Now, what you could turn around and do and ask ChatGPT is say, how can I set up an LLC in all 50 states? But for the purpose of this demo, I don't want to do that because that would make it long. You see it's making this book. Here's a complete ebook. This is an ebook. It just made an ebook. You save it, cut and paste it into Word or Doc, something, Google Docs, whatever, and save it as a PDF, put a cover on it, and boom, you have an ebook. You could do this for every state. You could have 50 ebooks if you want. I'm just giving you the idea how you can use things like this. Now let's ask the same question to DeepSeek. Let me see, how do you set up a LLC in Las Vegas? So let's see what it does. Okay, now I put it on the Deep Think. Deep Think is $200 in ChatGPT. Their highest price model. And see, that's why open source is so powerful, because it's open source, it's free. You can actually download this stuff, tweak it, put it in your applications. You can also put ChatGPT in your application as well, because it's just hooked up through APIs. But it costs money. It costs more money to hook up these type of. So this thing is thinking. It's sitting here thinking. That's what artificial intelligence is. It is doing tasks that usually requires human intelligence, human thinking, human reasoning. Now they have built these models that it can do the same thing we do. That's exactly what it's thinking about. Somebody asks you, well, how do you, make an ice cream cone? You would get an ice cream cone, you would get a spoon or a scooper, you would scoop it up and put it on an ice cream cone. There you go. That's an ice cream cone. Or you would go to a soft serve and press the thing and let it, fill up the cone. The computer can now do it. These models can now do it. Now, there's a new model out. Why this is thinking, because I got it on the large thinking model. Oh, well, look. There you go. DeepSeek has been attacked. So I'm going to take it off of DeepSeek and see can it just do it regularly, which is very interesting. They're under a lot of pressure because they just tanked the stock market. It hasn't been working since they have been attacked. But generally, I have been using it. If you can see on my left, I have been using this for quite a bit, 7 days. I've been using DeepSeek for a long time. You see all the different prompts. So when this thing went to run out the big DeepSeek, it just tanked everybody. So it just people started hacking it, I believe, other companies. Let's ask it over here with Qwen 2.5 Max, which is also new, but I feel like it's going to be under attack too, because these things are powerful and they're free. And so I don't think these other companies like ChatGPT, Meta, these guys are like, wizards. Sure they're trying to hack it. You can't even get into it. So I'm just saying, oh, okay, so Qwen 2.5 Max, bam, it's telling you, right? It's telling you how to do it. And the operating agreement, it's not even a big deal. You can have this write anything you want to write. Okay? Wow. It tells you the free. So if you want to know how to do something, these models can tell you. These models can tell you. And what did I ask it to do? Can you format this into an ebook I can sell or give away? And it'll just put it in a format. Let's see if it can do it. Wow. It's giving you an ebook. See, when you talk about digital products, you always hear digital products. You come in here and say, put it in a format. Now you have an ebook. If you want to sell it, you want to give it away. Look, my point here is it's not a perfect, but I'm trying to give you an idea of what you can do with this artificial intelligence. Now, they are attacking and fighting. There's a war going on for dominance in this area. Big bucks are being spent because this stuff can think like us. It can replace us, okay? You just have to be smart enough not to let it replace you, okay? Don't let it replace you. Be smart enough to create wealth, to create plans, to do. This thing just made an ebook. You know what? You could copy this and put this. You could copy this, save it as a PDF, put a cover on it, and sell it. And you say, oh, well, there's plenty of books out there. Just like there's 4 grocery stores in like a 5-block radius, they're all making money. If you put 50 ebooks out in Kindle, and this will walk you through, how do I publish on Kindle, which is ebook, and it'll go in there and tell you. It's starting to tell you how to do it. So you don't even know. I don't know how to put it on how to publish it. It's giving you the steps how to do it. Just follow the directions. It will walk you through everything you need to know to publish an ebook. So if you put out 50 ebooks in the next 90 days, you will sell something. Have a good one.